Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have trouble focusing your telescope on a distant object, or if you have a problem knowing whether your focus is perfect or not, today I have something which is must to have for anybody who owns a telescope. Anybody who is doing an astrophotography, this is something that person must have. This is a very important thing for any astrophotographer to get the crisp or sharp pictures of the clear skies. So if you're going to take a picture of a planet, if you're trying to take a picture of a star, if you're trying to take a picture of a nebula or a galaxy, you guys know that it is very difficult to focus on a distant object. So this is something that I have. It is called Bahtinov mask or Bahtinov focusing mask. Today we'll be doing an unboxing for this on my channel. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So this is the package in which I get this Bahtinov mask. This is the mask which I have purchased it for my 127 SLT telescope. So as you can see, there is nothing on either sides. This is very generic packing. Just to let you know guys, you can also make this at your home, but I prefer to purchase. So let's open and see what is there inside. Be very gentle while opening this box. This is a fragile element, so might break when you put too much pressure on it. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you have got some screws with it. So let us see what it else. There is nothing more on this box. This is a generic box, I believe. So let's keep this aside. So here I have the Bahtinov mask. Like I told you, this is a very simple tool which can help you focus on any distant star using your telescope, and you can be very sure that your telescope is in right focus and you do not need to move your focus again. This is the screws that come along with it, which are going to be tied up here, here and here. Let's try and open and see what's inside. So as you can see, this is the Bahtinov mask. This looks like a laser cut Bahtinov mask. So this size is varying from 100 mm to 127 mm, which is why you have the travel. So let's see if we can put the screws around. So these are the screws. If you can see, these comes with the plastic cover on the top so that your telescope does not get scratched. Let's screw it up. So this is how you unscrew this holding screw. Put this inside. I'll put it on the maximum length because my telescope is bigger. Now this is first. Now let's unscrew the second. And the last, third one. So just to give you some background, Bahtinov mask is a device which is used to center or focus the small astronomical telescopes with precision. It was invented by an amateur Russian astrophotographer called Pavel Bahtinov in 2008. So which is why it is called Bahtinov mask. The precise focus of the telescope and the astrographs is a particular concern to those involved in astrophotography, so that you ensure that you have a crisp and clear focus. The telescope is pointed at the bright star and the mask is placed in the front of the telescope objective. For example, the primary mirror. So to understand how it works is to set your telescope and imaging equipment as normal. Then simply locate the bright star, any star that you feel like, with your telescope and attach the Bahtinov mask to your telescope and view the pattern of diffraction spikes around the star while adjusting the focus. When the central diffusion peak is centered on the outer peaks, you will be in focus. Very little focus shift is required to move the inner diffraction skewer, which means the focus is extremely precise. So this type of Bahtinov mask is suitable for dew shield telescope or in front of OD from 100 mm to a 127 mm telescope. It is compatible with Celestron, Skywatcher, Makustov, Meade, 127 ED, APO Celestron or 5-inch Celestron telescope as well. So this package, as you can see, had one Bahtinov mask and 3 brass bolts. brass bolts were padded with the plastic so that it does not scratch. Now let's put this Bahtinov mask on the top of my 127 SLT NexStar telescope. To do that, first thing you need to do is remove the cover cap. Slide it gently so that your lens is visible. Now you have to do is put this screw part on the back side and the little screw part on the front side and put it gently on top of your telescope. So this is how you install your Bahtinov mask on any telescope that you have. Just place it on the top and adjust your focus to get the sharp focus of your star or galaxy or anything that you are trying to take picture of using your telescope. So this is it, guys. I recommend it highly for anyone who is serious about astrophotography to buy or make one of these Bahtinov masks to get the crisp and clear picture of the stars and get the sharp focus. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try and answer as soon as possible. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching and clear skies.